Hey guys, it is Andre and today I have a lot of stuff for this new release. Our new releases are on Friday at noon Eastern. We always do a 3-hour unlimited stock on the new releases at noon Eastern on Friday. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it because there's a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff. So let's start with, I don't even really know. Let's start with this one. So this is the reformat. This is probably one of the most requested reformats. I feel like my nails match perfectly. I feel like SPC Cafe and this are the most loved SPC kits ever. And this was this January's mystery kit, and I went ahead and reformatted it to our new format. It's been so dang requested. So this is the same full boxes. I actually toyed around with changing the full boxes, but honestly, like, this is just the best, It's so beautiful. I used this for my birthday this year. It's beautiful with gold or rose gold. So you do have your Munchkin freebie. You have your full boxes. This is an ultimate exclusive. Whenever mystery kits come to the shop, those are always ultimate exclusives. There's a lot of marble in this kit, lots of gold, really beautiful collection. And this is exclusive art, so you won't find this art anywhere else. We do actually have, I think, a TN still in stock that has the same tan kit in stock that has the same artwork. So there is that. There's also an option if you want to add on the bows, which are super cute. There's also an option if you want to add on fashion girls. So you have that. And then there's also an option of glitter. I believe there's two options, yes. So there is the it's definitely like a champagne gold. It looks beautiful with this. And then there's also just the regular colors, which is also a great option. I also wanted to show you guys, because it kind of goes with both of the kits that are coming out this weekend. We are doing these like celebratory foil full box overlays. There are 4 of them there, and they just have the foil in the different corners, and they're like streamers and little confetti bits, but I think these would look beautiful over that. So we have it in all 3 foils. That will be available as our foil release this week. I'll bring those back out whenever we get to the other birthday kit. So that is the full collection and all of its a la carte options for Birthday Babe, and that is our January mystery reformat. January mysteries usually are a birthday kit, and they usually are very much so loved. Then the next kit that we have, I guess I'll go through all the mini kit exclusives. So, or maybe I'll show you the other birthday kit. So I wasn't going to use this kit for this art for a sticker kit. I actually have other plans to do something else with it, but someone suggested, I think on the Facebook group, to do a birthday set with it. So I thought that'd be really cute. So I actually had Jess, Kitnish Jess, who does this art, do a exclusive cake for us. So this is like a Harry Potter themed cake. This is all like wizard themed. Her thought process on this was doing a like Hogwarts Halloween party, but I just thought it looked so cute as a birthday kit, and I think it's going to be great for using for somebody's birthday that I want to mark, but I don't have a specific kit that I want to use. I like Harry Potter, so it works. So this is called Wizard Birthday. I kept it really simple. Love all the accents of gold in here and just all the fun colors. And then both the mini kit and the ultimate kit do come with the Munchkin freebie, and then I also threw in this little double box scene, so you get like a ton of extra full boxes, especially if you're getting the ultimate. What is that? 9, 10, 11. And then there's also, if you want to add on the fashion girls, but we'll get to that. So there are those. Let's go through this kit. This one does have a lot of really pretty accents, like I did with the kit that came out last week, the like Cinderella-y one, and then also the Witch Please does too, so it has the gold accents. I love the purple in this. So pretty with the gold. You have your extra full box here. Love these colors, all that extra gold pizzazz. It really reminds me of like tinsel in person. It's so pretty. Your washi, your little things, the ombre hair checklist, and then I kept the bottom washi pretty simple because I have a feeling y'all want to get creative with that. I know that the Sticky Committee makes really beautiful washi overlay that's like wizard themed. I think that'd be really pretty. Then there's also this has the option if you want to pick up the mini kit, and the mini kit also does come with that extra double box. I just thought it was a cute little extra for you guys. So this one has the same 2 little freebies. So you have the Munchkin freebie along with the double box girls. So then you have the full boxes, the deco, the functional, the mini kit exclusive page, and then you also have the bottom washi page and the washi. So there's that. This also does have the option if you want to add on the Bows. There's also an option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which these are all SPC girls. So there's Kirsten, Jessica, me, and then this was just another one because we don't know any Gryffindors. Isn't that weird? I actually don't know any Gryffindors. Like, personally, I don't think. Like, in real life. I don't think. I can't even think of anybody. Just any as a Gryffindor. Other than that, I really can't think of any. Where is the glitter? And then there's a glitter option, which is so pretty. I just think these colors also scream wizard. There's like a dark purple, a dark green, the gold, and then the silver, which is really pretty, or gray. So those are all of the options. These are just so dang cute. I love Jessica with her little like bandana thing. Jessica always wears those. So there is that, and again, I think this would look so cool with any of these. I think the silver or the gold would be the best option, but I think these would look so cute. So those again are our foil options for this week. Then we also have, I guess we'll just go over the final like collection that has both. So this is Witch Please, which is a really fun witchy kit. Art again by Kit Jess. What is this, like 2 collections in 1 week? Usually I have like such mixed artists, but we have a lot of artists in this one actually though. So you have the little Munchkin freebie as per the usual. And then this kit is so pretty. I'm having such trouble figuring out which kits I want to use for Halloween. I think this will look so beautiful with rose gold foil. Lots of rose gold accents in here. I just love it. You have a ton of deco. If you love little deco, this is it. And then you have little fairy scribblers, which I thought were adorable. Your extra full box, again, lots of rose gold in here, all that rose gold, little pieces and extras and just little things in there. And then I love this paper, the like moon, and again, I think it could get really creative with washi usage on that one. This one also does come in a mini kit for all you mini kit users. There is the mini kit option here. So this one also does have the little Munchkin freebie, and then the same full boxes, the same deco page, which, let me zoom in on that deco. You guys need to see it a little bit bigger. So pretty. Your functional page, your mini kit exclusive page, and then again your bottom washi, which the date covers, most of these have the new font that I've been playing with, and this one has kind of like a rose gold glitter in it, which I love. Then this also does have the option if you want to add on the bows. Actually, I probably should be zoomed in a little bit more. The bows, also there are fashion girl options if you want to add those on, and then there are 2 options for glitter samplers. So you do have the main colors, and then you do have a rose gold one. Again, a lot of people like picking up the solid colored metals to save for other kits. Then we do have 2 mini kit exclusives. I decided to make these mini kit exclusives just because I feel like these are very Halloween. I know this one especially, a lot of people said they would use for other times than Halloween, but we're getting towards the end of where everyone is picking up their Halloween kits, so I just figured mini kit exclusives for production purposes. So this is called Woodland Witch, which is a really pretty collection. I love the browns in here, and just the mixture of browns and the purples. I just think it's really, really pretty, and the greens. So this is a mini kit exclusive, so this won't be coming as an ultimate, but it's really, really pretty. And then I did 2 different kinds of washies in case you wanted to keep them together or split them and use one or the other. So that is the mini kit exclusive for Woodland Witch. There is glitter header option. I didn't do any fashion girls for this again or the next one because production is tight, but there is an option if you want to do a glitter header. Then there's one more mini kit exclusive, and then I'll go on to the other items for the week. And this is called Maleficent. There's definitely like a lot of other Evil Queen vibes, but I think because the fashion girl is Maleficent, that's why I named it that, and then I used a Maleficent quote, but it definitely just kind of feels very like pastel Evil Queen vibes here. So really love this. I think it's so fun. It is definitely an opportunity to mix metals. There are golds and silvers in here, so I think this would be really, really beautiful with white and gold, like how I did the planner party week with the alternating, and then do different foils through your spread. I think that would be really, really pretty. So again, this is a mini kit exclusive. Super pretty. Love these colors. Very pastel. And I love this bottom washi. It is so pretty. So that is the Maleficent kit. Oh, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler for that one. I feel like this color scheme reminds me of something, but I can't put my finger on it. Maybe it was April glitter, Hello April of last year maybe. Seems like so long ago. Then I do have the first little section. I think it's technically the first quarter of binder labels. I did do the final kind of quarter of this year, just in case you wanted to pick those up, but this one is January monthly through April 15th to the 21st, so those will be available in the shop. I also have some Scribblers, which these are like costume Scribblers, and I did, instead of doing less costumes and each one in every costume, I decided to do 5 different costumes per Scribbler and do them in different ones. So for Sienna, you do have a ghost, superwoman, a cat girl, a unicorn, and a pirate. Then for Celeste, you have a little minion, a Minnie Mouse, a butterfly, a clown, and a cowgirl. And then for Pearl, you have a devil, a vampire, why am I blanking? Harley Quinn, and a witch, and a sriracha bottle, which the sriracha bottle is so funny, and I'm going to use this probably for a lot of food things, but I just thought these were really cute. I wanted to kind of mix and match like things that you can use for Halloween, but things that you could probably pull in other times of the year. I feel like a lot of these you could use for other things, like watching a Marvel movie, marking cat things. A lot of people said ghost things for last year for changing bed sheets. If there's any like type of pirate movies, I think this would be cute to mark, like going to see like Wreck-It Ralph or something, and then you have like Minion movies, Disney, you know, going to a kid's party, going to like a rodeo, sriracha, anything sriracha related again, superhero movies, things like that. So wanted to kind of make it a little bit like classic Halloween stuff, and then also some stuff that could kind of be more diverse. So we do have some foil seals coming to the shop, and this is the first set, and they're so pretty. I kind of wanted to go kind of more on the Halloween colors, and then do a white and a black, so it's a little bit more diverse or like easy to use. So I am doing a sheet of 8, and there is white, black, you have your orange, red, 2 different color purples, green, and then a yellow. I think this is great for the season coming up of Halloween and the silver accent. So if you guys want to pick these up, they are so cute, and I'm hoarding. I brought myself home like a gazillion of them. I have a bunch just sitting here. I'm like that with foil too. I bring it all home. And then last but not least, we do have a metal bow pack available, and these are mini bows. So I've been loving doing the bow packs. It's way easier for order fulfillment, and you guys seem to really like the bow packs. So this one is going to have a champagne, so a matte gold. This one is a copper, and then this one is a shiny gold. It's not really hot gold. I like this gold. And then there is I guess this one's actually more the champagne one. It's like a muted champagne. And then a black bow. So those are going to be in a little pack. And I am so excited about these. So cute, and so many different applications for those. I think that's everything for this week. Oh, and there's also going to be, I don't have one with me, but there's a peachy journaling card that I put in orders probably like 3 to 4 weeks ago. That will be also available. It's like peachy colored with a background, and then it has a bow on it, so that's going to be available as well. Those are not unlimited. I think I have about 50 of those to put in the shop. So that's everything for this week. I hope you like this week's releases. I know there's a lot. That's what the holiday times are all about. There's just going to be lots and lots of stickers, but I hope you guys like it. Lots of options, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.